Buying a major home appliance is an important decision and a big purchase. It's important to know before you go. Make sure you visit www.bigboxappliancereviews.com.
Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews. Guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hey guys, it's Dante. Welcome back. This week I'm going to go over what to look for when your Coil top range isn't working or you're not sure if it's working properly. One major thing that I've run across and came across is these elements right here. A lot of times you'll go to clean them out. You know, they're real easy. They pull out, they connect right here. But the issue that we run into that they're not actually working properly is they're not set in the slot. So like here, boom, we're in. What I'm going to do, what you want to look for is, are these sitting in here properly? If they're not sitting in there properly, they can't make a connection. If they can't make a connection, they can't heat. Therefore, your burner won't work how it should. So if you clean your range and you took those out and you set them back in, just double check right here. Let's make sure that they're in all the way. Those are really easy to replace, guys, but one major key factor is that they have to be manufacturer specific. So if this is sitting, you know, a little bit all wonky, it's not sitting level. I mean, I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but we're not kind of sitting in these grooves here. Good chance that they're not manufacturer specific, so you want to make sure that you go through the manufacturer or find an OEM replacement part so they can sit in there just like that. If you check those, everything is good, and it's still not heating and working properly, you might want to have someone like me come out, take a look at your range, and figure out what we can do to help you get your range working properly. That's all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back next week. Thank you.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.